Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. I know why you guys are here today. You want to find out who won. Well, before we do, let me say thank you to each and every one of you out there for watching my videos, for subscribing, for commenting, and all the great comments and stuff that I've received out there. It's just wonderful. It's very heartwarming. And this is my chance to give back a little bit. So, without a whole lot more further to do, let's go ahead and talk about these for just a minute. Now, if you guys remember right, I talked about the first winner would get the choice of their three models and their choice of one of these beautiful handmade X-Acto knives, as well as some other stuff that I was going to throw in it. And I also said during that first video that if I passed a certain number, I would add a third prize pack. Well, last night we did hit that certain number, so the first winner will get their choice of not only the original three models, but they'll get, instead of just having to choose one of three, they've got a bigger choice to make, because now they have to make a choice between one of these six. Still only one model, but now you've got more choices to make. Oh, and disclosure on this one, on the 71 Himikuta, this one is not sealed. And when I looked in it to see if all the parts were there, I seen that the chrome was not in the best of shape. I think Revell had a bad thing of chrome some years back when this was made. Let's see, can I see when this was made? 2000. But you'll have your choice between any one of these six model kits, as well as whichever one of the hobby knives that you want, and some other stuff, some sanding sticks and some little parts holders and stuff like that, because I had 43 of you guys put a comment in here and say, I'm in, I want to win. One person did bow out, and another person is, well, he's in China, but we still talk. But I still had 43 of you guys, and I hit my magic number, so there's going to be 3 prize packages. And again, I thank you all so much. Now, I'm also going to try to do this video all in one shoot, so forgive me if the dogs go to barking and doing their doggy things. But we want to make sure that everything is showing up as fair as I can possibly make it, and so that you guys can see that there's nothing else going on. All of you guys are my friends, and I wish I could give everybody something, but I can't, so we got to try to do it a different way. Now on my phone, I've already got a random number picker picked out, and on my list here you'll see a number by everybody's name, 1 through 43, and I know that the two that are not really in it, but that's okay. We'll deal with that if their numbers pops up. So I've entered in a random number picker, and okay, let's get the camera moved over here so that we can pick these. Switch the screen around so that getting emails. Okay, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Random number picker. And we're going to change that one to 43. And let's see who's the first winner that gets their pick. Who gets to pick their first pick of the model and the first pick of the knives? Number 28. Oh, let's see. Okay. On the paper here, number 28 is John. John from Amateur Scale Model Building. Buddy, I know you are going to be very happy with some of this stuff. John is a great guy, a very good friend of mine, and I'm very happy that he gets one of these prizes. Okay, let's pick another one. For the second prize pack, number 30. DVDW Graphics. You're in China. Heaven only knows by the time how long it would take to get there, and so much. Well, you'll just have to get in on another one. Number 5. Number 5 is Larry's Model Shop. Congratulations, Larry. You get the choice of one of 5 models that'll be left, and one of the whichever hobby knife that John doesn't want. You get your choice of that. Okay, now let's pick one more. Lucky third person. 28. John, you can't win twice. I'm sorry. I like you, but that's, you know, that'd be a little bit. Yeah. Number 11. Woody from Dave's. Well, yeah, I can't edit that out. Woody from Dave from Woody's Model Garage. You get to pick your hobby knife and your model too. Look at that. Congratulations, John, Larry, and Dave. You guys are going to get some very nice prizes. I'm going to have my email put up here so you can tell me which one you want. And of course, John gets his first pick. Larry gets the second picks. And Dave, when you send me the email, I might be able to do something different if you don't like whichever one of these are left. I just got a few more kits in, so maybe we can change the color if you don't like this teal and pink or whichever one is left. We'll talk it out over emails. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being a part of my channel and you know, a part of my life too, because this has been a great experience all along. And I couldn't have done any of it without you guys. So thank you again. And you guys are just wonderful out there. I can't say any more. We'll talk to you next time on Pappy Tinkers.